We've got a killer 1969 Chevy Camaro with the Yenko package on it. It's an actual 427 motor, 4-speed. It's got 455 miles since a body-off-frame show quality restoration. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can look at all the pictures, including the underneath, read about the car, and that's where you'll find a price tag on every car we have for sale, along with a monthly finance option. It's all at volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, make sure you subscribe, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the next video is posted. But for right now, let's go for a spin. Yeah, body off frame restored, and it's very fresh. This is a very fresh, very detailed. They went the little extra, it seems, on this car because all the steering and suspension's all rebuilt, but it also looks real nice. All the different color, black and gray suspension and steering components, all looks brand new. Same thing in back. The leaf springs, bushings, all of it's really fresh. Has a nice custom exhaust with the crossover pipe. Looks like 2.5-inch pipes. I think Flowmasters. You'll hear that towards the end of the video. Brake system's all redone. It's disc in front, drum in back. E-brake assemblies hooked up. Brake lines replaced. Fuel lines, fuel tank, that's all been replaced. You look up at the motor, it's still fresh, clean Chevy orange. It does have a Muncie 4-speed transmission. That's all fresh. 12-bolt rear end with a posi in the back. So yeah, underneath the car, it looks new. The floors also, the metal, the floor pans and the frame rails and all that dry, clean, painted a semi-gloss black. The body, I already inspected it. It's exceptional. There's no issues. A lot of them crack or have funny business going on here. This is pristine. The roof is absolutely straight. This is all absolutely straight. The gaps are right on the money. No bubbles, no issues at all. Door shuts real nice. It's a metal cowl hood. All of this straight, clean, lines up real nice. Yeah, this gap here is spot on, square, straight, no issues, no rust, no damage. All fits real nice. Real nice body, exceptional. Straight, clean, smooth, no bubbles, no body work showing. Painted a Hugger orange, very smooth and glossy. It's better than they were back in 1969. It's polished out real nice. Again, exceptional. I don't see cracking, chips, problem areas. The paint is beautiful. Has the Yenko striping and the emblems. Has the spoilers front and rear. The black tail panel is gloss black. Normally they're like a satin black, but this looks real sharp. Tail light lenses, bumper, emblems, all that looks like new. The stainless trim looks very nice. Very good original glass. They went the extra on everything. The windshield's got a few little marks and it does have a stone chip in the windshield. I'm surprised they didn't replace that because they did go to the extra with the other stuff. Rain gutters are new. The window fuzzies are new. The mirrors are new. The wheels, 15-inch polished torque thrust wheels, and look how meaty they are in the back. They're extra wide, big fat BF Goodrich tires. I think it just has that perfect muscle car stance. It sits up a little higher in back. I think they did a great job sizing the tires. Weather strips are replaced. The grille, T3 headlights, correct headlights in there. So yeah, outside the car is beautiful. New correct antenna. Let's open it up. Let's see the inside. All right, I'm going to show you a real clean trunk compartment. The paint under here is about as slick and smooth as the car. Same thing with the jamb. New weather strip. The latch is new. And inside, all nice clean metal with a nice spatter finish paint. Has the insulation on the back of the seat. Tail light housings look new. Very clean trunk. No jack or spare. Yeah, whoever did the body and paint did a killer job. The door jambs are painted real slick. Weather strips and sill plates were replaced. Of course, the door panels are all new. The armrests, the window cranks. All this is nice and fresh. Look at the vents, the bezels, the wood grain, the dash pad, all real nice. A lot of the old Yenkos wouldn't have the factory gauges. They'd have a tachometer mounted on the column here like this one does. The heater control panel's been replaced. We have a radio delete plate. All across here, this all looks like new. It's painted real nice. Glove box liner's nice. Look, it's painted on the inside. Went through a Virginia inspection where they checked everything there in Virginia and all checked out okay. Even in here, look new. Got gauges to watch the engine's vitals. Carpet, 4-speed. You know, Yenkos were not full of frills, so nice recushioned seats, new upholstery, new headrests. Backs of the seats are original, a few scratches in them. Back seat, back panels, all that's redone. Really clean rear shelf area. All the trim is real nice. Headliner's in excellent shape. Dome light works. Visors, mirror, they look new. Has a complete set of original seat belts, and we got a deluxe steering wheel here. Even up by the front of the doors, up by the hinges, is all painted shiny. So this is a 1969 427 motor. It's what they call the 512 casting block. This is the same block that you'd use in a 454 LS6 or the Yenkos. That's the same block, so that means a little something. It has the GM aluminum intake, a dual feed Holley carb, chrome valve covers with the Yenko sticker, long tube headers, and you can see all the components and the gutter and the squirters and the relay, all real nice. Big block heater core, reproduction clamps, spring clamp battery cables, the shroud, the fan, all that's real nice. Curved neck radiator, I was surprised to see that detail. That was on the Yenkos, had the curved neck, you know, reproduction hose and clamps. This one does have power steering, power brakes, new alternator, new wiper motor, hood insulation. Now this it's hooked up the little flapper door for the cowl induction. The only thing we're missing right now is the rubber seal that goes around here. That's on its way, so make sure if you buy the car that's on there. Well, this certainly sounds like an old school muscle car. New LS motors don't sound like this. This car is very tidy. Very well dialed in. So I do believe this is one of the exceptional cars. You know, we get a lot of Camaros through here. This one's really nice. They did a nice job building it. It looks great and it feels right, functions right. I didn't do it hard enough, but I mean, that shuts really nicely. Runs nice, the clutch felt nice. We inspect each of our cars. Our lead mechanic drives it, puts it on a lift, checks it out. And I looked at the work order on this one. It was a few $100. I think they fixed reverse lights or an exhaust rattle, a couple things, and it was ready to go. So really nice car here. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions. You get this delivered to your door, and they can help with financing as well. It's at volocars.com. Now make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.